small shop owner has bought in the Santa or in any Raitu Bazaar.
एक ही जगह पे मिलके those type of plastics are known as thermosetting plastics. Comparison, there are 3 types:
up, down, right, left.
I am not inferior to anyone.
We are Swaraj. We are top on the Everest. Congratulations.
I want to be a leader.
Hi Swaraj, I am P.Roja. I am studying 9th class C section at Tadwai in Nizamabad district. Okay friends, before going to the lesson, I would like to ask one question to you. Friends, where we are living? On the earth. So, after formation of the earth, the landforms are formed. Do you know what are landforms and how they formed? Okay, to know the answer which are asked by me, let's learn about the order of landforms. Our topic is order of landforms. Our topic is order of landforms. Okay friends, after formation of our earth, the landforms can divided into 3 categories. Let's learn about what are the landforms and how they have formed. See friends, here these are the landforms. The landforms are the first order landforms, second order of landforms and third order of the landforms. The first order of the landforms is divided into 2 categories. They are the continents and second one is oceans. And the second order of landforms can divided into 3 categories. They are the mountains, plateaus and the plains. And third order of landforms can divided into 3 categories. They are the hills, deltas, valleys and the sand dunes. Okay friends, let's learn about the formation of the first order of landforms. First order of landforms. Tell me friends, what are the first order of landforms? As continents and oceans. The first order of landform means the primary division of the earth crust is called as the first order of landforms. Listen carefully. The first order of landforms means the primary division of the earth crust is known as the first order of landforms. Let's learn about the formation of the first order of landforms. The first one is continents. Let's learn about the formation of the continents. Okay friends, in previous chapter we saw that how many continents can look like the pieces of the jigsaw puzzle, how the scientists were taught, and in the beginning probably all the continents can held together and how they broke up and gradually drifted and came to the present places. After careful study of the geologists, they have concluded that all the continents and all oceans can situated on the massive base of rocks. It is called as the plates. Listen carefully friends. See here, after the careful study of the geologists, they have concluded that all the continents and all oceans can situated on the massive base of rock. It is called as the plates. And friends, let us learn about the plates. In the ancient times, there are the 7 major plates are there and the several minor ones. Let's learn about the 7 major plates. See here friends, this is a jigsaw puzzle. These are the 7 major plates. First one is North America plate, Eurasia plate. Eurasia plate is nothing but Europe and Asia. It is called as the Eurasia plate. And third one is South America plate, Pacific plate, Indo-Australia plate, Antarctic plate and Africa plate. These are the 7 major plates can present on the ancient times. And the several minor plates are Arabia plate and the Nazca plate and etc. Okay friends, let's learn the formation. And friends, on this time we can learn the what are the plates. There are 7 major plates and we can learn what are they. Now, do you know friends what is the special of these plates? Yes, these plates can actually float on the mantle. I think you was very familiar the word is mantle. This mantle, the word is we already study about and learn in the first chapter, that is our earth. The mantle means it is the second layer of the earth and it was so hot and it is in the liquid form. The mantle means it is the second layer of the earth. It was so hot and also it is in the liquid form. Okay friends, actually these plates have floats on the mantle. So, when this floats on the mantle, it's being to constantly pushed each other. Listen carefully, if these plates can float on the mantle, they have been pushed each other. So, constantly pushed. So, by that constantly pushing, it causes 2 movements of the plates. What happening? It causes to the movements of the plates. Okay friends, when the 2 plates can meet each other, by that because of one plate can pushes the another neighboring plate. As a result of the movement of the plates, one plate can pushes the another neighboring plate. On that time what happening means, these 2 plates can meet each other and by that when these 2 plates can push each other, on that time a lot of pressure can exerted from the plates, from the mantle. So, on that time due to the circumstances on underground, on that time what happening means when the two plates can meet each other, on that time a lot of pressure can exerted from the mantle it on the another plate. On that time what happening means one plate can goes under into the mantle and another plate can goes upwards to form a chains of the mountains. So, the movements of the plates is called as the plate tectonics. The movement of the plates called as plate tectonics. See friends, the word tectonics means when we compare to the Greek language, in Greek language the tectonics means it is the builder or the carpenter. Builder or carpenter. And when is the word the tectonics can related to the Sanskrit language, it was called as the takshan. What's called friends? Takshan means again carpenter only. In the Greek language, the tectonics are called as the tecton. See friends, the movement of the plates is called as the plate tectonics. So, the plate tectonics, the word, the tectonics when we compare to the Greek language, it is called as a tecton, means builder or the carpenter. And next one is when this word can related to the Sanskrit language, it was called as the takshan, again meaning carpenter. Friends, I think you have understand about the formation of the continents. Okay friends, let's learn the formation of the oceans. Which one is the second one of the first order of landforms? Okay friends, are you ready? Okay. Friends, do you know how was the oceans can formed? And friends, have you ever thought what is the mean by the seafloor spreading? Actually, this seafloor spreading can it is causes to formation of the oceans. Friends, are you listening my points? Okay, see here friends, the seafloor spreading can depended to formation of the these oceans. Okay friends, let's learn about the seafloor spreading. Seafloor spreading. Okay friends, this seafloor spreading means in ancient times the geologists have they can done experiments on the crust of the sea. On that time they have discovered that some oceans like the Pacific Ocean, for example some oceans are like the Pacific Ocean, in that Pacific Ocean the mid-ocean ranges or ridges are there. Friends, listen carefully. The scientists can done experiments on the crust of the sea. On that time they can discover that under some oceans like the Pacific Ocean there are mid-ocean ranges or the ridges. So these ridges can form due to the lava rising up from the mantle. Okay friends, are you understanding? Okay, these ridges can form due to the lava rising up from the mantle. So that's why these ridges can formed. By that erupting the lava, it causes to the formation of the ridges. On that time, it can when the erupting the lava was it can spread upon to the surface of the sea floor made up of basalt rocks. Basalt rocks is nothing but it can present on the lava, means mantle. So it can also erupt when the lava was coming to spread all over the sea floor. After the erupting of the formation of the ridges, what happening means this total lava can spread laterally to the ocean basin. So on that time the ocean floors can create the newest crust of the new ocean sea floor. So after this fresh crust can slowly pull away away to widening this newest crust to the ocean basin. Like that the sea floor spreading. For the better understanding, see here friends, this is the sea floor spreading. For in that the formation of the oceans there are 7 stages are there. Let us learn about what are the stages. See here friends, warping, stretching of the continent. See first stage, continental cracks due to pressure of the conventional currents. See here friends, first of all due to the lava, this is the lava, due to the lava was rising up from the mantle, what happening means it causes to disturbance to the sea floor spreading. This is the sea floor. So it causes due to the erupting the lava, it was causes to disturbance to the sea floor. On the time due to the cracks due to pressure. So the cracks can appear on the sea floor due to the conventional currents under the mantle. It was due to the circumstances under the underground. So the lava was rising up. On that time it causes disturbance to the sea floor. On that time the cracks were appear. Friends, are you understood? Okay. The second one is formation of the rift valley. Tell me friends, formation of the rift valley. The stage second is the cracked portion of the crust collapses to form a rift valley. The cracked portion of the crust collapses to form a rift valley. After when the cracks were appeared due to the raising of the lava, what happening means, see this total the cracked portion can collapses due to the high force of the raising this lava. This total the cracks can appear and this cracked portion, when this total cracked portion was collapses. After collapsing the cracked portion, it is causes to formation of the rift valley. See here friends, this is the rift valley. By that the formation of the rift valley takes place. And third stage is ancient ocean, mid-ocean ridge. Oceans takes the place of the depression, still the magma keep rising to form the rocks. See here friends, the oceans takes place of depression, still the magma was keep rising to form the cracks. After the formation of the rift valley, see here what happenings due to the raining small amount of the water can store in this rift valley. On that time the ocean can takes place. Friends, are you understanding? After the formation of the rift valley, what happening means due to the raining what happening means the small amount of the water can store in the rift valley. So by that the ocean takes the place. After, still the magma keeps rising to form the cracks. By after the oceans can takes place, after what happening is this is the magma, means it is also called as a lava. Magma means some of the rocks which can present underground. So the underlayer of the earth was very hot and it is in the liquid form. So this total rocks can change rocks portion to the liquid portion. So this liquid portion can erupting by the volcano eruptions due to the under circumstances. So but after the oceans take place also of depression can also after still the magma keeps rising to form the cracks. And next one is stage 4, that is oceans at present. By the raining a small amount of water can store on this rift valley. After by that it grow bigger and bigger, a lot of water can store in that valley. After it became an ocean. Friends, are you understanding the formation of the oceans? Okay, see here friends, the first order of landforms are first stage of landforms. It's divided into 3 types. They are the first order of landforms, second order of the landforms and third order of the landforms. The first stage of the landforms is the continent or the oceans, and the second stage of the landforms is plains, plateaus, mountains, and third stage of the landforms is hills, deltas and sand dunes, valleys and sand dunes. See here the order of landforms. First stage of the landforms is called as the primary division of the earth crust is called as the first order of landforms. They are the continents and the oceans. The world map is the continents and these are the oceans. And the formation of the continents can take place due to the jigsaw puzzle and moving of the plates. These total plates can situated on the massive base of rocks. So on that time there are 7 major plates on our earth and several minor ones in the ancient times. There are the African, North American, South American, Indo-Australian, Antarctic, Eurasian, Pacific. These are the major plates and the Nazca, Arabia and some among the minor plates. And after due to this can totally floats on the mantle. On that time what happening means one plate can push us to another plate. On that time the lot of pressure can exerted from the mantle. So by that it causes to the formation of the mountains, and also the plates of the movement is called as earthquakes. So means the plate tectonics. The movement of the plates is called as the plate tectonics and it causes to the earthquakes. Friends, are you understand? And next one is seafloor spreading. The eruption on the ridge, ocean ridge, create new ocean floor made of basalt rocks which then spread laterally from the ridge, and this newest crust slowly pushes the plate away from the ridge. This ridge is called as a seafloor spreading. See friends, these are the seafloor spreading. Okay friends, see here after the formation of the continents and the oceans, now there are the 7 continents and the 5 oceans. They are the North America, Africa, Eurasia, Australia, Antarctica and the South America. And there are the 5 oceans are there. They are here the Hindu oceans means the Indian Ocean, and here the Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. This is the Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. In this ocean there is a 4 major mains and this last one is the Southern Ocean. Okay friends, in this ocean the largest continent is the Asia and the deepest ocean is called as the Pacific Ocean. Friends, are you understanding and note down my points? Okay, let's learn about the second order of the landforms. Second order of landforms. Tell me friends, what are the second order of landforms? S. Mountains, plateaus, and third one is plains. Friends, are you understanding? The second order of landforms means it can form due to the internal process of our earth. The second order of landforms can form due to the internal process of our earth. The second order of landforms are mountains, plateaus, and the plains. Let's learn about the formation of the mountains, plateaus, and the plains. See here, this is the these are the second order of landforms. Friends, see here, these are the mountains. The mountains can, the formation of the mountains is dependent on the movements of the plates. Friends, are you following me? Okay, the mountains are, for the formation of the mountains can depending on the movements of the plates. So, by that we already learned about the formation of the continents due to the plates. So, when the two plates, means for example the India plate and the Eurasia plate, when the two plates can meet each other and push each other, on that time a lot of pressure can exerted from the mantle due to the under circumstances underground. So, by that a lot of pressure, can exerted from the mantle on the another plate. On that time, what happening means one plate can goes to under into the mantle, and one another plate can goes to form a chains of the mountains. Like that, due to the movements of the plates, it causes to the formation of the mountains. Friends, are you understand? I know to now onwards in the previous section we can learn that this total landforms can form due to the slow movements. Let's learn about the sudden movements of the landforms. Okay, friends. The sudden movements of the landforms can depend on the volcano eruptions and the earthquakes. Let's learn about the volcano eruptions. See here friends, the volcano eruption means first of all when the volcano, see here these volcanoes can accompany and takes place on the surface of our earth. Friends, are you understand? These volcanoes, due to the volcanoes also it was causes to the formation of the mountains. So, let me learn about the volcano eruption. The volcano eruptions means these totally volcanoes can situated on the earth's surface. On the time the molten materials which it can vary from the mantle erupts. So, it causes to the volcano eruptions. See here friends, the molten materials from the mantle erupts on the earth's surface. On that time the eruption of the volcano can accompanied by the dust, smoke and various forms of the gases. Friends, are you understood? The volcano eruptions by it is also accompanied by the dust, smoke and various forms of the gases. On that time this totally the dust, smoke and various forms of the gases can also erupt along with the lava due to the pressure of the under circumstances. It can also what happening eruptions and also spread all over the atmosphere. Friends, are you understanding? Okay friends, so when the lava was erupted on the surface of our earth, it was cooled down and formed hard rocks. So the formation of the lava into the hard rocks is called as the igneous rocks. volcano eruptions. And next one, igneous rocks. See here friends, when the lava was erupted on the surface of our earth, on that time this was the lava was converted into the and cooled down and converted into the rocks. So hard rocks, this is called as the igneous rocks. Friends, in your daily life, can you see the erupting the lava? Okay, let's see. See here friends, for example, this is the volcano. Observe carefully. See here carefully, the lava was erupting and it was totally spread all over the surface of our earth. See here friends, how wonderful it is. By that the lava was erupting. By that erupting the lava, what happening means some of the lava which was can't reach of our earth and may cool down under surface only, it is called as the intrusive landforms. Intrusive landforms. See here carefully, some of the lava which can't reach of surface of our earth and which may cool down under the surface only. It after cool down it can it can formed into the rocks. So on that time when the lava which can't reach our earth, it is cooled down under the surface only, it is called as the intrusive landforms. And the second one is extrusive landforms. Extrusive landforms means the lava which was erupted and spread all over the earth's surface and may cool down and form the hard rocks. It is called as the extrusive landforms. Friends, are you understanding my points? Okay. The next one is the plateaus. The plateaus means it is also the formation of the plateaus, it is also closely interlinked between the formation of the mountain and the formation of the plateaus. The plateaus means it is nothing but see here, plateaus are also very high lands, but they have more flat with some hills between them. The formation of the plateaus can also causes due to the movements of the plates and also the volcano eruptions. But the differences between the mountains and the plateaus means, see here, these are the mountains. The differences between the mountains and the plateaus means the mountains are very high and they have steep slopes with very little flat land on them. See here, the mountains was very high and this has the steep slopes, step slopes. These are the step slopes, and at the edge of the mountain it has a very little flat on them. So it is the mountain. And next one is the plateaus. The differences between the mountains and the plateaus means the plateaus are also very high lands, okay, but they have more flat with some hills between them. See here, it is also highland like a mountains, but what is the differences between them? The edge of the mountain was very sharp with the steep slopes, but here what happening? The edge of the plateau was very flat. See, this is the flat. So the edge of the plateau was very flat with some hills. These are the hills with some hills can be present between them.